Hi, this is Yaro, and I would like to show you how to use AI email assistant with AI. So first of all, click on Start a free trial. You will be redirected on authorization page, so you can use any email to authorize. I'm going to use Google email. After authorization, you will be redirected to create new AI email assistant page. First of all, you need to connect Gmail account that will be used for getting your messages to generate a response with AI. Click on Connect Gmail account. Select account, continue. Select permissions, continue. All right, we have connected Gmail account. Now let's add some configuration to the AI assistant. You can come up any name for chatbot name, Gmail demo, for example. Here you can provide some custom instructions with plain text or add your knowledge base. Also, you can add links and files. In this demo, I'm going to add some links with documentation. So I have a service, DocGPT AI, and have some documentation pages. Let's provide them to AI Assistant. To do this, copy and insert here, add another link. Let's add this one. All right. Click on Create button. Cool, we have created AI Email Assistant. After creation, you can add or modify your plain text, links, files, questions and answers at any time. You can remove links, add custom responses for some specific questions from customer. So these responses will be the highest priority for AI. Let's try it. So for this demo, I'm going to write an email from my account. Let's write to myself, subject Gmail demo. Hi buddy, how to use GPT for Sheets, and click send. Let's wait a minute. Amazing, I have got this response from my AI email assistant. Let's check it. Click on the thread and we have correct response with even some examples. Cool. All right, so after the response, as you can see, some stats has changed, like total messages, total conversations. Also, there is a page like customers. It stores all leads that has contacted to your Gmail. Also, after generation some responses, you can click on chat history. Here you have a list of threads. Click on one of them, and here you have history of all your communications with AI. That's it. Thank you for watching.